All right, guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing some silver from Apmex, and we're starting right now. So welcome to another video from Urban Lifestyle. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. So one reason you guys want to hit that notification icon is because every time I do an unboxing video, there's going to be a giveaway. And today, I'm going to be giving away 1 ounce. Not this one, but I'm going to be giving away 1 ounce silver today. So there's going to be a secret message somewhere around this video. So make sure you stick around to see the whole entire video so you guys can see that hidden message. And the first to comment that message in the comment is gonna win some silver. All right, so let's go into this unboxing. All right, yeah, this thing very tough to open. I already know that. And even this right here is tough to open. There you go. Let's throw that away. And then we have this right here. I don't have my knife. Give me one moment. Let me go get it. I got it right now, guys. There we go. Booyah. Let's open this up. A good clean cut for everybody who must. Now, I do want to say thank you everybody who sends me their best wishes for my hand. Is doing much better. And as you can see, I can actually use the cut stuff. It's feeling much better. It's still a bit painful at times, but it's getting better nonetheless. There we go. Oh yeah, make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope. All right, let's see what we have here. We have some cool pieces of silver here. Now, every time when I get new silver, I do want to put them in their respective capsule. So I do have some capsule here. All right, one for a bar and some for coins. I think I got a little bit too much for this right here, but hey, I got them here. This one right here looks like it comes with its own capsule already. And let's open this up and see what we have inside. Oh man, this is beautiful. Now, you guys know a while back I purchased a whole bunch of Marvel coins, and this is the latest addition to that coin, which is the Captain America. Let me make sure you guys get a good look at that one. It's real beautiful right there. All right, we have the Queen on the back, Captain America 1 ounce, and it comes with its own capsule. I like that, so I don't have to use none of my capsule over there, but it's very beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comment below. I know a lot of people's gonna be like, oh, I wouldn't buy that when it costs too much. I forgot how much I bought for it. I think it is above 20, and I know. I said, hey, I don't like buying stuff over 20, but I did also say at the same time I said that, whatever video I said that on, I did say occasionally I would buy something over 20. And this one, I know it didn't run me more than 25. I'm not too sure. Probably like 23. Okay. So we have that right here. And this one right here. Let's see. Get this one opened up. There you go. And we have the Australian Dragon BU. 1 ounce dragon. Right there. Real beautiful. Oh man, this looks real nice. Cool. Let me make sure you guys get a good look at that as well. Look at that right there, real beautiful. Now this one, someone commented on my video saying, hey, I should buy it, and he wanted to know my opinion on it. And I looked at it and I said, hey, let me buy it, and I'll give my opinion right here. So looking at the details is very nice, very beautiful. Matter of fact, I need to get my bar capsule out here so I could put it in there nice and gentle. Well, it doesn't fit on this side. Hey, maybe a bit too small. It's not as big as I thought it would be, but still a perfect fit. I mean, if you could look, there's still some spaces in there, in the sides right there, but hey, keeps it safe. Now, as far as my opinion, I love the design on the dragon. I'm pretty sure silver bags will love this itself, since there's a dragon on there. You can see the cloud on the details right there. It looks real beautiful. Now, the back, it does have, I like this because I don't have no bars with the Queen, but just looking at this right there, I love it, the attention to details. You can see around it, you can see like the sunshine around it. It looks real beautiful, okay? Now, let's see what do we have next. All right, let's open up this one right here. Oh yeah. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, this is my silver shield cannabis leaf, or I like to call it my weed leaf. Hold on, give me one moment, guys. My marijuana leaf coin. Oh man, I'm in the mood now. I'm in the mood now. All right, so I love it. You guys can see the sword right there in the bag. I love this design right here. I always wanted one of these. I just found a good price on Apmex and they sold it to me for a good fair price. I don't remember the price, but it's all right here. You guys can see like the shield right here is one of my favorite, not the shield, the sword right here is one of my favorite designs. The details that they have on there is very beautiful. And then when you look at it, it's very similar to the maple leaf, but you already know what it is. It's the marijuana leaf. All right, enough of that. It's the marijuana leaf or the cannabis leaf or the weed leaf, however you guys want to call it, but that's what it is right there. And let me open it up right here, put it in this tube right there. Oh yeah. And safely place it in here. Beautiful. Now, it's just me, I have OCD that way. I want all my silver that I'm keeping, I want it to all be in capsule, okay? That's just me. Let's see what we have next. Booyah. Oh man. We have the silver 1 ounce freedom. This one's from Silver Shield as well. You guys can see the same design right there, the sword. Right there, beautiful. And on the back, I love this design right here, the Freedom Girl. I always wanted one of these as well. It looks real beautiful. Love the design on there. Real cool, real nice, real beautiful. I love it. Okay, so now we're gonna take this as well and put some capsules on there. Now I'm gonna see if I could put links down in the description below so you guys can go there and I actually get all my capsules from Amazon and even the square ones as well. I'm gonna see if I can put links so you guys can go there directly so you guys can get your own capsules as well. Okay, boom, put that right there. All right, so what's next? Matter of fact, I'm gonna encapsulate this too. This one I've been carrying on with me for a while. I call this my lucky coin right there. You guys see me, I put it on the key that I had, but the key thing broke. I guess I gotta get a silver one, but now it's time for me to stop showing it off and put it in its rightful place because I'm keeping this one as well. There you go. Add that to that. Now, let's see this one. I'm gonna do this one last because, oh man, I wanna read this one. Let's open up this right here and see what we have here. Okay, I think I got a generic silver. I just got one generic silver from 9 Fine Mint. Right there, very beautiful. The lucky number 9, right there. All right, it would be nice if it had an 8 for 89 as far as my birthday year, August 20, 1989. But the details on there is beautiful. The way they designed it, you can see the little lumps right there. Very beautiful right there. And over here as well, you see the whole name, 1 for 1 ounce, 999 fine silver. Very beautiful. I like it as well, and I'm gonna encapsulate it. There you go. Put that right there. Now we have one more. And it seems to be, let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Ooh, I like this one. I love this one, the skull. Now this is the 1 ounce Silver Shield Mintage Big Mother. All right, you can see that right there. You can see it's like a lady, skulled lady right there. And the design on the back is a bit different. You have the chakra eye, or is it the chakra triangle? Something like that. Not too sure, but it looks real beautiful. 1 ounce right there. Now, out of all my Silver Shield, let me put this in a capsule and I'll let you guys know which is my favorite Silver Shield that I purchased today. Matter of fact, out of everything I just showed you guys, I want to know what you guys believe is the great Silver Shield or the best Silver Shield design on here that I purchased. All right, so we have the Big Mother, we have the Freedom Girl, and we also have the Cannabis Leaf. All right, so which one you guys think is the best design right here? We have Big Mother, we have Freedom Girl, and we have the Marijuana Leaf. What you guys think is the best? Comment down below, let me know. Now, as far as for me, as far as detail, the design on there, we're not going on the reverse side of the coins. We're not going on the reverse. We're going just strictly on the front side, okay? Now, as far as details, this one just looks like a regular maple leaf, Okay, it looks like a regular maple leaf. I'm used to seeing that design all the time. Of course, this is not a maple leaf. This is a marijuana leaf. But as far as the design, I'm not going to give it to this one. Now, as far as the design for these two, out of these two has the best design. And I would have to say the Freedom Girl takes it all, because you can see the details on the hair. You can see the details on all that. Now, as far as creativityness, I love the way they have this one. So as far as my best Silver Shield purchase today, it has to be this one. It doesn't have the best design, but at the same time, I just like the creativeness that is put on this coin. You guys can see the skull, the skeleton. You even see the chest of the skeleton. You see the hair. You see the skeleton's mouth. You see the designs on there, and the background, like a little, I don't know what to call it. The best way I can describe the background here is actually the camera shutters, where, you know, when the camera opens up and closes up, just off some basic camera lens. But I would have to say this. So in recaps, we have the Cannabis Big Mother, we have the Freedom Girl Silver Shield, and we also have the Weed Leaf from Silver Shield. We also have the Captain America. Add this to my Deadpool, add that to my Spider-Man. Do I have a Spider-Man? I don't think I have a Spider-Man. I have to get to that. But I'm gonna add this definitely to my Thor, my Iron Man. And we also have 9 Fine Mint right here, 1 ounce from there. And we also have the Australia Dragon BU. All right. So practically just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 purchase on this purchase right here. Awesome. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys saw the hidden message within the video, and good luck to everybody, and good luck to the winner. Congratulations to whoever wins. Comment down below. Let me know. Have a good one, guys. That's why I work.